Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Rupees 31,000 crore bonanza for government defense staff. The central announced a bonanza rupees 30,748 crore including higher house rate allowance, HRA and other allowances for government employees and defense personnel on Wednesday. Nearly 48 lakh employees are expected to benefit while approving the recommendations of 7th Pay Commission. The Union Cabinet also improved upon the using the benefits for serving employees, including defense personnel as well as pensioners. CHIN's allowance for defense personnel have been more than doubled from 40,000 per month to 30,000 for soldiers and rupees 21,000 to 42,500 rupees officers facing extreme risk and hardship. The increase will be effective from July 1. Announcing the decision, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said the HRA that has been approved will be 24%, 16% and 8% of the new basic pay. He added that the rate of HRA would be revised to 27%, 18% and 9%. When the business allowance DA crosses 25% and future the 30%, 20% and 10% when it crosses 50%. Jaitley said decided the percentage increase in DA, the government has decided in the minimum floor rate of HRA for the lowest categories of employees. The HRA will not be less than rupees 5,000, rupees 3,000 and rupees 2,000 depending on the type of city and calculated at 30%, 20% and 10% of minimum pay rupees 18,006. An official statement said the HRA revision will benefit more than 7.5 lakhs of employees. HRA continues 60% of the total allowance of government employees' pay. The finance minister said that the decision regarding allowance have been taken in favor to the employees and said changes have been made improve upon the recommendations. He added that 1,000 allowance have been retained against pay commissions recommended for 95 allowances. Similarly, as against the recommendation to the away with 53 of the allowances, Central has decided to abolish 43. Another 34 allowances have been submerged, and decision with regard to 12 allowances retailing railways will be taken up later. For pensioners, the medical allowances has been doubled at 1,000 from the present to rupees 500 per month. The revised allowance are likely to put an additional rupees 30,000 crore annual financial burden of the government. The disruption of higher allowances is expected to improve spending by this large section of service government. The nursery allowance of nurses and minister staff of hospitals has also been increased rupees 7,000 per month from 5,000 earlier. Similar operation theatre allowance has been hiked from 360 per month to 540 per month, and hospital patients are allowances, care allowances for 2,000 to rupees 2,000 and rupees 4,000 to 5,000 per month respectively. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Hindi Breaking News. Thank you. Hi friends.